Good morning student. Session 4 আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম লাষ্ট ক্লাছত কৈ দিয়া হৈছিলে for issue of share consideration other than cash. Issue of shares for consideration other than cash. There may be three cases. Number one, issue of share to vendor. Number one, issue of shares to vendor for purchase of assets. Issue of share to vendor for purchase of assets. First accounting entry for acquiring asset. Number A, for acquiring assets but for purchase of asset. For acquiring asset but purchase of assets. So when asset is purchased, assets account debit to vendor. Vendor means seller. Assets account debit to vendor account, being the purchase of asset from vendor. After purchase, asset to কিনাৰ পিছত এতিয়া পইচা পেমেন্ট কৰা নহয়, ইয়াৰ এসেটৰ যিটো ভ্যালু হ'ব সেই ভ্যালুটো কনভার্ট কৰা হ'ব শেয়াৰছ লৈ। সেই শেয়াৰ এট পাৰ হ'ব পাৰে বা এট প্ৰিমিয়াম। So what is the entry when share issued for acquisition of these assets? Number B, for issue of shares at par, vendor account debit to share capital. Vendor account debit to share capital. Vendor account debit to share capital. If this share issue at premium, for issue of share at premium, again vendor account debit to share capital account to security premium account. So again, issue of share for consideration other than cash. There are three cases. First case is issue of share to vendor for purchase of assets. Number A, for acquiring by purchase of asset account debit to vendor. And when shares are issued, now first for issue of share at par, vendor account debit to share capital account. And number C, for issue of share at premium, vendor account debit to share capital and to security premium account. These are the accounting treatment when shares are issued to vendor for purchase of asset. Now question is allow me to X Limited purchase X Limited purchase a machinery from Y Limited for 1,80,000 for rupees 1,80,000 payable in fully paid share, payable in fully paid shares. X Limited allotted equity shares. X Limited allotted equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid, of rupees 10 each fully paid in satisfaction of claim by Y Limited. So necessary journal entry. Journal entries in books of X Limited. In the books of X Limited. Assuming that number A, shares are issued at par. Number B, shares are issued at premium of 20%. This is the question. X Limited purchase a machine for rupees 1,80,000. X Limited 1,80,000 টকা দি Y Limited পৰা এটা মেচিন কিনিছে 1,80,000 payable in fully paid share আৰু গোটেই পইচাখিনি শ্বেয়াৰৰ ওপৰত দিয়া হ'ব X allotted X যিখিনি শ্বেয়াৰ দিব এই শ্বেয়াৰৰ ৰেটটো হৈছে 10 টকা in satisfaction of claim by Y. তো যেহেতু Y X ক মেচিন বিকিছে তো Y যেটো ক্লেম কৰিব সেই ক্লেমটো X 10 টকীয়া ইকুইটি শ্বেয়াৰ দি প্লাস সেটেল কৰিব so assuming that যদিহে শ্বেয়াৰ at parত ইস্যু হয় তেনেহলে what is the journal entry and if the share are issued at premium then what is the journal entry now the question is first entry when X Limited purchase a machine from Y Limited the Y Limited is a vendor so machinery account debit 1,80,000 to vendor. Here vendor is Y Limited. To Y Limited account 1,80,000. Being purchase of machine. Being purchase of machinery from Y Limited. So this is the entry for purchase of assets for Y Limited. Now, this 1,80,000, this purchase consideration was settled by the issue of shares, which rate is 10. So 1,80,000 দিবৰ কাৰণে 10 টকীয়া 1,80,000 টকা দিবৰ কাৰণে 10 টকীয়া ইকুইটি শ্বেয়াৰ কিমান দিব লাগিব? So divided by 10, that is 18,000. So 18,000 share issue কৰিব লাগিব equity share to settle the purchase consideration of 1,80,000. So here the second entry, number 2, vendor account debit, vendor account debit 1,80,000 to equity share capital account 1,80,000. Vendor account debit to equity share capital account 1,80,000. Narration to hobo being the allotment of 18,000, being allotment of 18,000 equity share, 18,000 equity shares at the rate of 10 each to vendor to Y Limited for discharge of purchase consideration. So vendor যেহেতু আমি 1,80,000 এ দিম, তো vendor account debit to, if the vendor, যদি vendor কেনেবাকে আমি cash pay কৰিলো হেতেন, vendor for machine কিনোতে machine account debit to vendor account, আর যদি vendor আমি cash pay কৰিলো হেতেন, vendor is the receiver, so vendor account debit to cash হলতেন. But instead of cash, this is a topic of consideration other than cash, so here to write equity share capital account. But how much share is issue? 1,80,000 টকা দিবৰ কাৰণে কিমান share issue কৰিব, তাৰ কাৰণে আমি এটো rate of share divide কৰিলাম. So 18,000 shares being allotment of 18,000 equity share of 10 each to Y Limited for discharge of purchase consideration. So 1,80,000 টকা দিবৰ কাৰণে আমি 18,000 equity share at the rate 10 টকাকে আমি দিম vendor. Next, if the share are issued at premium, if the share are issued at premium, then entry is number 3, vendor account debit, vendor's account debit, again 1,80,000 to equity share capital account to security premium account, to security premium account. So vendor account debit to equity share to security premium. So here to vendor 1,80,000 dim, but what is the rate of share? It is 20% premium. 10 টকা 20% হ'ব 2 টকা, মানে তেওঁ 12 টকা share issue কৰিব. So 1,80,000 আমি যদি 12 এ ডিভাইড কৰোঁ, the number of কিমান share issue কৰিবলগীয়া আছে এটো ওলাই পৰিব. Here 15,000, মানে 15,000 shares আমি issue কৰিম in favor of vendor, but the rate of 15,000 share is 12. Here 10 is the face value and 2 is in premium money. So 15,000 into 10, this is the number of share capital, 1,50,000. Or 15,000 share 2 टका के premium, that is 30,000. So being the allotment of 15,000 share at the rate of 10 at a premium of 2 per share to Y Limited for discharge of purchase consideration. So what is the difference between issue at par and issue at premium? যেতিয়া আমি পাৰত কৰিছিলো, the number of shares to কম বেছি ওলাইছিল because rate to কম আছিল, or here the rate, when rate is increased from 10 to 12, the number of share is 15,000. So there is one difference. Here 18,000 share is ইয়াত দৰকাৰ হ'ব ইয়াত 15000 শ্বেয়াৰৰ দৰকাৰ হ'ব so this is the condition again repeat X limited purchase কৰিছিল তাৰ কাৰণে আমি এন্ট্ৰি লিখিলো আৰু সেই পইচাটো Y limited কেনেকৈ ডিচাৰ্জ কৰিব with the help of issue of share and there is two condition at par and at premium Next topic, issue of share to vendor for purchase of business. Number 2, মই কৈছিলো there issue of share for consideration other than cash. The তিনটা কেস আছে number first case ত লিখিলো issue of shares for a vendor for purchase of assets. Then the second is issue of shares to vendor, issue of shares to vendors for purchase of business last topic to asile for purchase of asset and here asile for purchase of business first for purchase of business number A for purchase of business assets account debit to liabilities to vendor these are general entries for purchase of business. For example, is a business. A business to the purchase kori vendor apa. A business to thoka jiman kini assets hobo kina jono kago hobo. And business namot jiman kini liabilities ase. He liabilities kiniu kina jone pay koribo lagibo ba teo kago liabilities hobo. So when you are purchase a business, the whole assets, gute asset khini kina jono gile jabo, aur he business or namot thoka liability khini, and tar babot jitu payment koribo, this is known as purchase consideration, PC, purchase consideration. So assets of value to ami yad likhim, liabilities value to yad, jimanot kini se vendor or yad purchase consideration to likhim. So assets is debit, liability credit, purchase consideration to vendor account. For example, suppose that a business kina babot ami 100 taka assets palo 20 taka liabilities hoibolo kiya hol aru kiniso ami business to for example 120 rupees question to ago saba eta business purchase koisu jar assets of value 100 liability 20 or purchase consideration 120. Now, assets account debit 100, liabilities 20, purchase consideration 120. So overall আমি business to kane kiman pay korilo? Kina babot dilo 120, liabilities 20, so 140 rupees payment kora hol. Total payment paisa gol 140. Ami assets palo 100. যেটো extra money আমি pay করিলো this amount is goes to goodwill account Goodwill account. Goodwill account debit. এটা ব্যালেন্সিং ফিগার হলো, ব্যালেন্সিং ফিগার গুডউইল অ্যাকাউন্টত লিখিম 40 rupees. Otherwise next আমি एग्जांपल ফলাই চাম. Assets 100, assets 100, liability 20, কিন্তু আমি কিনিছো 60 rupees. 60 rupees. তেতিয়া এন্ট্রিটো হ'ব again assets account debit. Assets account debit 100 of কিনিছো আমি, 100 rupees of assets পাইছো. Two liabilities, liabilities আছে 20. Two vendor, vendor of দিবলগীয়া হৈছে 60 purchase consideration. So our goal 80 rupees. Liabilities payment করিলো 20, vendor of দিলো 60 80, আর instead of this আমি পালো 100. So যেটো এক্সট্রা আমার লাভ হইছে it goes to capital reserve. To capital reserve. Capital reserve account 40 20. Now the question was mami, ABC Company Limited take over a business of ABC Company Limited take over business of PQ Limited. Purchase consideration was rupees 3 lakhs. Purchase consideration was rupees 3 lakhs. Payable 25,000 equity share. 25,000 equity shares of 10 each and balance in cash assets and liabilities taken over were building 1 lakhs, buildings 1,70,000, stock 1,20,000, Creditor 60,000. 60,000. Past journal entry in the books of company. Past journal entry. Past journal entries in the books of ABC. So this is the question. ABC Limited per take over a business. ABC Limited PQ Limited of business to loise 3 lakh taka di. This is known as purchase consideration. So PC purchase consideration is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. तारे 25,000 इक्विटी शेयर দিব 10 টকা কে এই 3 লাখ টকা তো দিব কাৰণে তেওঁ 25,000 টকা 25,000 শেয়ার দিব 10 টকা কে আৰু ব্যালেন্স খিনি ক্যাশত দিব বিজনেস তো লোৱা লগত তেওঁলোকে এসেটস পাইছে বিল্ডিং স্টক পাইছে আৰু ক্ৰেডিটৰ ভৰিবলকীয়া আছে তো পাঁচ জৰ্নাল এন্ট্ৰি ইন দা বুকস অফ ABC লিমিটেড so first entry is number 1 debit all assets building account debit 1,70,000 stock debit 1,20,000 to vendor that is PQ Limited 3 lakhs purchase consideration and to creditor account creditor give us 60,000 so here payment কৰিবলকে হল 3,60,000 তাৰ লগত পাইছে 290 assets যেটো বেছি পেমেন্ট কৰিবলকে হল হেতু কি একাউন্টত যাব goodwill account debit 50,000 360 70,000 so building account debit stock account debit total debit is 290 to PQ Limited 3 lakhs to creditor 60,000 difference goes to balancing figure goodwill being business purchase and various assets and liability taken over being business purchase and various assets and liabilities taken over now this purchase consideration was discharged by issue of 25,000 equity share of 10 each तो काग नामर इशू करियो वेंडर हु इज वेंडर PQ Limited account debit PQ Limited of 3 lakhs to equity shares 25,000 equity share দিব at the rate of 10 তো 2.5 লাখ টাকা শেয়ার দিলি 2.5 লাখ টাকা শেয়ার বাকি যে 50,000 টাকা থাকিলে এটো ব্যালেন্স পেড to cash account 50 so eto hol tomar purchase issue of share consideration other than cash of second topic the issue of shares to vendor for purchase of business so business purchase kora babot balancing figure to get all assets are debit PC purchase consideration to vendor debit creditor debit difference to goodwill hobo pare otherwise capital reserve so I hope ki topic ira buji pala next class ot eta notun topic loi ahim thank you